Agile project escape defect. In Agile, escape defects are errors or issues that were not caught during development or testing and were found after release, typically by end users or in production. Tracking escape defects is important for improving quality and understanding gaps in the development or QA process. Components of escape defects in Agile. When analyzing or managing escape defects, the following components are typically considered: defect ID, description, a unique identifier, and a detailed description of the defect. Helps track and reference the issue clearly. Severity indicates the impact of the defect on the user or system. Common levels: critical, major, minor, trivial. Helps prioritize resolution and root cause analysis. Priority reflects how urgently the defect needs to be fixed. May differ from severity based on business needs or release schedules. Discovery phase, source, indicates when and where the defect was discovered. In production, by a customer during UAT, user acceptance testing. Useful for understanding at what point the issue escaped the team. Root cause, analysis of why the defect occurred and how it escaped detection. Examples: missed test coverage, ambiguous requirements, code regression. Injected phase, when the defect was introduced in the process, during design, development, integration, etc. Helps pinpoint process gaps. Escape point detection gap, indicates how far the defect traveled before detection. Used to evaluate the effectiveness of QA and development practices. Resolution time, time taken from discovery to fix, can influence user experience and team velocity. Impact area, affected functionality, where in the application the defect appeared. Helps team identify risk-prone modules or code areas. Preventive actions, actions taken to avoid similar escape defects in the future. Improve test coverage, better code reviews, process improvement. The summary chart has two columns: component in column 1 and description in column 2. Defect ID, description, unique ID and summary of the defect. Severity, impact level on users, system. Priority, urgency of the fix. Discovery phase, where, when it was found, for example, production or UAT. Root cause, underlying reason for the defect. Injected phase, phase in which defect was introduced. Escape point, where it should have been caught. Resolution time, time taken to fix after discovery. Impact area, functionality or module affected. Preventative actions, steps to prevent recurrence. Wrap up. Tracking escape defects helps Agile teams improve QA processes, enhance automated testing, strengthen definition of done, maintain customer trust and product quality.